Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make viral shorts using Kapwing. A viral short is usually 15 to 60 seconds, has a strong hook in the first second, engages viewers visually and uses music effect. Kapwing makes it easy to create such videos without professional software. First open any of the browser. In the top this address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here you can simply select to this create new by uploading a video, or you can simply select one of the draft as well, as I'm going to select this. And once the editing timeline opens, what you can do is you can also browse to the Kapwing's templates in the left hand side. Click onto this template. You can find the template that you prefer by simply clicking onto it, and it will automatically opens up here. You can customize the template. You can add the audio on the left hand side. You can either upload or you can record, or you can simply browse through the Kapwing's music as well. Click onto it and it will appear here, and you can edit the clip for the maximum engagement here. You can trim the clip as well, and after you're done you can preview it and you can export in the top right. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.